Good day, YouTubers! This is Renel Banda, Pinoy Travel Channel. This time, we are going to unbox my new flying quadcopter camera, the DJI Phantom Standard 3. Yes, DJI Phantom. Okay. Alrighty! Yes, sirree! So here it is. Phantom 3 Standard. Let's find out what's inside this box. What we have here, I think this is a manual. And the unit itself. Hey Manny, just unboxing my camera here. Flying with my roommate Manny. Okay. Oh wow, look at this baby. So yes, baby. So what we have here is the aircraft. The camera. This is a new camera. Okay. We have the charger. We have some accessory box. Okay, the propellers. The remote controller. Bye-bye.